Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this gigabyte.com and this is search box. So click and after that you enter the model number which is you require the driver and wait few seconds to complete. So now you can see you can extra motherboard showing but click on exact B650M D3HP, then click on that. After you can see this new tab open, then click on support. Select operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. So if you are using any operating system Windows and 10 but installations process same, so you can see this video and install. You can install audio driver and this is side and this is just download. After you click downloading it will start downloading. You can see this is downloading start. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Then single click to open and you can see this is exe in extracted driver, so double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is automatically closed means this is installed and just close it.